watching Fox 28. Good Day Columbus starts now.
Thank you, 748. Sometimes you say you just don't have time to eat right, or do you? Zoe Gerlinger of Ultimate You, a fitness and wellness center in New Albany, is here on Good Day Columbus with a fast food game. How you doing, Zoe?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Andy.
Thanks for coming on the show. All right, we're playing a game today called Eat This, Don't Eat That.
Sure.
And you've gotten some stuff from a few fast food restaurants.
Yeah, and it's amazing because we often think that the healthy choice is obvious, and we're going to find out today that that's very far from the truth.
I am shocked by what you've told me already so far this morning. I can't even believe it. So let's start right over here. This is Burger King, and what do we have?
We have the BK Veggie Sandwich here.
Veggie sandwich.
With mayo. That's right. Veggie, healthy, right?
Okay, right.
And then we have a Whopper Jr. with cheese.
Obviously, the Whopper Jr. with cheese is bad for you.
You would think, but in this comparison, we're going to have to go with the Whopper Jr. 290 calories versus 420 for the veggie.
Really?
12 grams of fat versus 16 grams of fat. And then the sodium in the veggie is a real killer. There's 1,100 milligrams of sodium in the veggie versus 500 in the Whopper Jr. And that's about half the sodium we're supposed to have for the whole day.
You could almost eat 2 Whopper Juniors for the same amount of fat and calories as one veggie burger.
That's right. And that's what we teach people at our center, that calorie knowledge is really the name of the game when it comes to having a long-term healthy weight.
Let's move along to Wendy's now. You got a salad and a chili and a potato.
Yeah, salad's got to be the choice, right?
Of course, right? It's healthy.
It's a salad, isn't it? Well, it's definitely not in this case. We're looking at 780 calories for the salad versus 457 for the chili and potato.
Wow.
But the real killer here is the fat. 53 grams of fat. That's 4 times the fat in our Whopper Jr. with cheese.
In the salad, 53 grams of fat?
In the salad.
Oh, no.
We've only got 19 grams of fat in this selection over here. And then just an incredible amount of sodium, 1,740 milligrams of sodium. That is about a whole day's worth of sodium. So you better not have any salt at breakfast or dinner.
We have 30 seconds left. We got to really hurry up. The muffin and the donut. The muffin's actually better for you?
Carrot wheat muffin is not better for you than the chocolate dip donut. Your major calorie savings over here versus and fat savings with the donut. By the way, I just want to tell you, if you made these choices 2 times a week, you could lose 18 pounds a year.
Good to know. Fitness U in New Albany has a class starting on January 20th. Quickly tell us what that is.
Well, folks can learn all about calorie knowledge like we're talking about today and create a healthy lifestyle. They can log on to ultimateu.org, and that's the letter U, to find out more information.
We've linked that to our website, myfox28columbus.com. Zoe, thanks for coming on.
Thank you.
Fun game. Terry, did you ever think the veggie burger was bad for you?
No, I can't wait to go out and have a cheeseburger now.
Or 2.
Or 2, yeah, why not, right? Lose 18 pounds. All right, time.